Eto na mga boss, Z-Run. Ano ba yung bago dito? Guys, sobrang dami kaya samahan mo ko review natin to. Let's go! So yan na nga mga boss, no, meron ng Z Rundown Edition 31 guys. Napakalupit nito. Pwede ka mag-lend, no? Ayan, lending offers current users and new users the ability to enjoy free gameplay guys. Pero optional pa rin na you can also buy in the marketplace, no? Siyempre kung bayad yung NFT mo, hindi ka lang naghihiram, yung panalo mo, hindi ka nakipag-boundary, no? Parang nakipag-boundary ka lang ng kotse dyan, eh. Parang binabayaran mo yung operator, no? Ganito yung logic dito. So, mga boss, kung wala ka pang idea sa NFT flipping, wala ka pang idea dito, guys, pwede ka na matuto sa NFT flipping. Punta ka lang sa website ko, danjocapitalmaster.com. Pwede ka na matuto sa NFT flipping and you can make a lot of money. 200 plus students na tayo dun, guys. So, marami na tayo natulungan, marami na tayo napatunayan. May resibo tayo. Okay? So, guys, as you can see, may high stakes pa dito. Nakikita nyo yung latest news. And you can also check the marketplace now. No? So, make sure i-confirm nyo rin yung address ninyo. Pero may Hauku, ayan, 0.4 ETH, iba-iba. So, you can filter it, no? Gender, okay, price, breed, bloodline, guys. Review na natin tong ano na to, Z-Run, kaya i-check nyo yung review natin, no? Yung first review natin para makita ninyo mga boss, no? Pero as you can see, meron mga free. And kapag nakabayad ka na, kuwari mga boss, no, nakabili ka sa OpenSea, ayan, 0.01 Ethereum guys, kaya very affordable. Kano ba yan mga boss? Silipin natin. 0.01 Ethereum, 0.01 950. So 1,000 pesos makakabili ka na dito guys. And marami pang iba, no, na 0.04, let's just say 0.04, ayan, 3,800. So guys, don't miss this big opportunity. And you can also check the winnings, the tournament, the results here, okay? Silipin nyo yung mga, ayan, mga finals. Ang lalaki ng price, $14,500. Grabe, 1,000 lang investment mo. So depende pa rin yan kung top 6 ka na. For example to, price pool 28.91, top 6. So makikita nyo dyan yung winnings guys, no? So kapag nanalo na kayo. And as you can see, may mga Shanghai race, ayan. So ito yung malupitan dito. Kalupit talaga guys, 30.98. And makita nyo rin yung mga live, no? Pwede nyo makita yung live na nangyayari na nagre-racing na sila. And pwede nyo panoorin in 3D, guys. So, as you can see, the announcements in Discord, okay, makita nyo dyan yung mga winners, yung mga events nila. Meron din lending, no? Na sinabi ko na safe, secure, and free way to access horses of all calibers, no? So, guys, i-check nyo yan. Sobrang lupit talaga ng lending na yan. When utility. So, acquire lending permit, okay? Lenders will need to lock up Z tokens and acquire lending permits. So, kailangan bumili ka ng Z tokens and mag-acquire ka lending permits. Parang ticket sa event, no? So, pag may lending permit ka na, pwede ka na agad, okay, maghiram ng horse. So, meron din lending marketplace. Ayan guys, borrowing a racehorse and rewards distribution. So, 50-50, lender, borrower. So, kung may NFT ka, tignan mo boss ha. Kung nag-invest ka ng 1,000 pesos or 3,000 pesos, yung panalo nyo, hati kayo nung pinapayra mo. Pero hindi ko yung maglalaro. Pero kung bumili ka tapos ikaw pa maglalaro, 100% sa'yo. Pero tignan mo, kung naghihiram ka lang, 50% lang sa'yo. So kung 2,000 panalo, 1,000 lang sa'yo. Pero nag-lock ka pa ng Z token. So mas maganda talaga bumili ka sa marketplace, no? Pero sa akin lang, no? Just my 2 cents, no? Pero decision nyo pa rin yan. Siyempre mas makakamura ka kung nag-lock ka ng token at magkaroon ka ng pass, no? So, check niyo announcements, yung live updates. Ayan, may chat din sila sa Discord nila. Selling, buying, want to buy. I-check niyo yan guys, no? General chat. So, you can see ito na yung live. Very nice gameplay, very nice graphics all in all, no? So far, so good guys. So, as you can see, lupit talaga nito guys. You can also follow them on Twitter guys and join their Telegram, no? So, laki ng potential talaga nito. Ayan, no? One of the best games so far guys. Z, no? Check nyo yan, no? Daming filter sa Discord nila. pwede nyo refilter yung OpenSea. Kung hindi nyo pa alam yung strategy paano kumita na malaki sa NFT, join na kayo sa website ko, guys. So yan, 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Number 1 si Not the Wolf, Emergency Born. Sino kayo mananalo? Comment down below, guys. Sino sa tingin nyo mananalo dito live to? So as you can see, this is live. Palagi ko si Not the Wolf na talaga mag-champion dito, pero humahabol si Emergency Born, guys. Uy, nanalo si Emergency Born. Grabe, lupit talaga nito, guys. So pwede nyo rin filter yung music dito, pwede nyo lakasan, photo camera, ayan. Pwede nyo adjust graphics kung naglalag, medium nyo. Ang lupit, guys, no? Dahil mo pwede makita sa live. So far, the game is complete package. It's very good, guys, no? Very amazing. So bukod dyan, guys, pwede rin kayo mag-print dito, no? Genesis, Legendary, Exclusive, Elite Cross, Pacer, no? So yun yung mga breeding, yun yung mga price. Select ka lang ng resource mo sa stud farm. So ako, I should have bought or rent or join, guys, no? So kung mag-rent ka dyan, okay, ayan. So why do you need this? Okay, because I want to play and the rest mo dyan, guys. Okay, tapos click mo sa view. Ayan. So pwede ka na mag-rent mo. So pwede ka rin bumili at pwede ka mag-join ng stable, no? So Discord invite. So guys, that's it. So far so good. Nanalo si Bright Lady, number 2 Emergency Born. Grabe. So laki ng mga premyo niyan. Career niya, fuck. Okay, guys. This is Danjo the Capital Master, number 1 NFT coach in the world. You can also check my website, Danjo Capital Master, to get the best out of NFT flipping, guys. So 200 plus students na tayo. Get the course now. Pwede na kayo magbayad po BDO or Gcash, guys. Ingat kayo, mga boss. Have a nice day. This is Zedran, one of the best NFT games so far. Play to earn NFT games, Metaverse game, Danjo Capital Master.